Aberystwyth University are really happy to announce our new initiative with the Pony Club. We're sponsoring the Pony Club's talent pathway for at least the next 3 years and hope to have further involvement in a number of areas, such as holding the AH and A test for Pony Club members who are also our students. We also plan to help with the Pony Club theory through specialised video content, and we're really looking forward to working with the Pony Club and its members over this time.
Hi, my name is William Blaine. I'm Chairman of Training for the Pony Club. I've had this position 6 years. I'm in charge of the training and responsible for the training through both all the branches, the areas and the centres. I've got my fellowship of the British Horse Society, I'm a British Eventing Master Coach, and I hold my BSc Honours in Equine Science. Having known the university through years, I think the opportunities it gives for any student that's doing any course at any level, not necessarily equine, would have the benefit of bringing their horses in a lovely area and continue riding and developing the training of their horse whilst they're studying for their degrees. Well, for the Pony Club, I'm really excited that with the support of Aberystwyth University, they can help develop the rider development programme. At the moment, this just develops our elite riders, but we are hoping very much to work this down to involve every single member and centre member throughout the Pony Club. It's a great opportunity for the university to get involved with our 40,000 members. It gives them an opportunity for the members to come and see what's here at the university and the opportunity to bring their horses and train at whatever level. Looking to the future, we hope to use and develop the IT resources from the university to really help our students and the students here to develop and train towards their AH tests and their A tests within the Pony Club. This we hope also to be able to continue within the university facilities.